What's good? So today, these are going on. Everybody's been telling me not to put them on the car, send them back. But guess what? Today they're going on. Bro, if I sent those back, bro, all I would do is think about putting them on until I put them on. I would be completely unsatisfied for sure. But I'm about to bring them to my mechanic. We got these new wheels, new used wheels. Just the gap is hideous, bro. Like what is this? Tool? I hate it. I hate it. I got some rubbing back here, so I'm gonna either get mild camber or I don't know. I'm gonna have somebody maybe pull my fenders a bit. Somebody that know what they're doing. And you know me. It's not even that bad, honestly. It's good.
'Feature everything. Entire.
The second one off. Two fronts took the longest. Honestly, both rears were probably done in the same amount of time as one front. So nice to play it up out of there. So yeah, here she goes. So yeah. All right. So what happened was, I'm gonna post how low I had it, right? And then I drove it down the street from the shop. Bro, burned mad rubber, ripped mad rubber off the car. I had to bring it back. They had to raise the back. The back was too low. I'm gonna have to get my fenders pulled. Like, look at, it's hard to show. Look at that. Chunks, I was just scraping chunks of rubber. Left side, I'm not sure why it sticks out more than the right side. I need an alignment. Like, look, you could barely even. Right side, perfect. It's not low enough though. The front is perfect though. So look, we out here, Firestone. Try to get this wheel alignment. Might be going in next, but look, so I'm rubbing like crazy on the driver's side rear. The passenger side rear is perfect. Look at all this shit just peeling off. It's peeling off. And my passenger side is perfectly fine. So yeah, I'm getting the alignment today. And we're gonna go from there. This is a whole different day, by the way. I'm just piecing this video up day by day. I brought my ramps with me. This is too low. So hopefully I'm next. I want y'all to check this out right here. My baby. Long live BP. Yeah, after I get this wheel alignment, bro, I don't know if, hopefully it'll work. And the driver's side is like my passenger and it don't rub, right? If it still rubs, I may downsize to 275s because I did put 285s on the rear simply because I wanted to try it out and to be able to say I got 285s when stock is 275 on the stock wheel setup. So, you know, I can go back to 275. It wouldn't make a difference. The wheel itself is still wider than the stock wheel, so it'll still have that appearance. But yeah. So it's either that or find somebody to pull my fenders. I know people say roll, pull, they may be synonymous, but I know when I have my fenders actually rolled on the last car, there was a lip in the fender that they flattened so that it could slide past the rim. I mean the tire. But I need them to pull basically the hip of the vehicle so that it can also slide past. I guess the end result is similar, but I don't have a lip to roll. I need a hip to be pulled. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the plan, y'all. So I'm just chilling, man, waiting to be called in there. And I don't know, it's cold out, so they sliding the doors down. I might not be able to get footage while it's on the ramp, but I'm gonna definitely record it going up the ramp because I lowered my car and I gotta make sure that they don't fuck nothing up. So yeah.
Well, because I had to wait, trying to see if it'll even go up right now.
All right, so I tried recording at the gas station. My phone died. Let me fix this camera a little bit, bro. So my only option is some shops around here don't have lifts that are in the ground. I need to remove my bumper because it's too low. It won't go up the rack, and they don't want to bring up the rack, and it's that low. So I'm gonna remove my bumper. I'm gonna hold it up by just these top bolts after I get everything off. So when I get there, I can just take the bolts off, take the bumper off, we do the alignment, I put everything back on, I go home. Cause this has to get fixed, bro. Immediately, bro. Alright. I guess it's time to bring it to the shop. How good that look. Christmas lights on the dash. Got everything on. But we headed back to Firestone. I don't have my bumpers on by the mounts and then the one screw underneath. So when I get there, I can just pop it off. And they can take me in whenever they can, because as of now, they're a little busy. I was already there, waited mad long. That didn't work out, so I'm on my way back. And let's get this alignment with no bumper. You know, you got to do what you got to do. You all right? So whatever. It is what it is. You know, the bumper's not hard to take off, so I'm not even stressing. I'm not upset that I had to take it off. As long as I can get the alignment, I'll be satisfied. And the rubbing taken care of. That's alright, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there. Maybe when they bring the car in, I'll keep y'all posted. That shit got a cool bumper on it. Started at low light. The bumper gotta come on. The bumper gotta come on. No big deal. It's real ball down. So my toe is way out of line in the rear. torch the passenger tie rod because I guess it's stuck. But we're getting it all together, bro. We're gonna be out of here soon, for sure. My boy taking care of me.
Back done, front next. He said you gotta do the rear first.
I really don't feel like putting this bumper back on. So honestly, she about to sit like this for a couple hours. I heard it's supposed to rain, so I do have to put it back on. But anyway, man, I got the alignment done. Rear driver's side wheel is still rubbing. For some reason on these cars, we can't adjust the camber in the rear or some shit like that, bro. I don't know. This tire sticks out more than the other side. Not sure why, but like even from this angle, right, you can see a lot more of the tire here than if I go here. That's very noticeable. So I'm either gonna get my fenders pulled, like I said before, or I'm gonna go back to 275s. But anyway, man, thank y'all for watching. That's the end of the video. And yeah, y'all stay safe out there, for sure.